Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes on HP Omen Transcend 14. And there are two ways of doing that, depending on whether your QR code is something that you see in person or something that you have on your screen. So first I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes that you have in person. And in order to do so, simply open the camera app. Then in the camera app, you can access the microphone, it doesn't matter. The camera is important to let it access it. Then you can also enable location, it doesn't matter. And go to the barcode scanner, how it's called. Then position your QR code in front of the camera. I'm gonna click on it to adjust the brightness to that QR code. Now you can click on the link that's shown below and it opens the website from the link. Now if I also want to scan something that's on my laptop, first I'm gonna open a website that'll randomly just generate a QR code. So I have it right here, and all I need to do is click on either Windows Shift and S or print screen button to take a screenshot of it. Now, as I have it screenshotted, it's automatically copied to my clipboard. So all I need to do is go to QRscanner.net, then click on Ctrl and V on the keyboard to paste it. Now, since it's pasted, you can click on the link from the QR code. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.